Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study physiology effectively for MBBS first year. First, focus on understanding the core principles rather than just rote memorization. Next, identify your primary textbook and supplement it with trusted online platforms or video lectures. Finally, establish a realistic study routine, dedicating specific hours each day to physiology to ensure steady progress and retention. This structured approach will build a strong foundation. To optimize your learning, prioritize high-yield topics such as cardiovascular, respiratory, and renal physiology, as these often carry significant weight. Visual aids are incredibly helpful. Try drawing diagrams and flowcharts to simplify complex physiological pathways. Furthermore, consistently solving practice questions from question banks or previous exams will solidify your knowledge and highlight areas needing more attention. This active recall is crucial. Active recall is a powerful tool. Try explaining concepts aloud to yourself or a peer, as if you are teaching them. Joining a study group can also be highly beneficial, allowing you to discuss challenging topics and gain different perspectives. Make sure to incorporate regular revision sessions into your schedule. Briefly reviewing material from the previous day or week significantly improves long-term retention and helps connect various physiological systems. Finally, always strive to connect physiological concepts to real-world clinical scenarios. This makes the subject more engaging and relevant for your future practice. Actively participate in all practical sessions and laboratory demonstrations, as hands-on experience deepens your understanding. Remember to check the description below for a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other helpful deals. Applying these steps will set you up for success.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.